Google has a built-in tool that allows text-to-speech. Extremely useful in so many scenarios. So let's take a look. So I just have a training document open, and you put your cursor where you want it to start. And then you go up to Tools, down to Audio, and you have two options. Now the Listen to Document Summary is, it does summarize the entire document rather than do it line by line, so it will create that, and it does it quite quickly. Whereas Listen to this tab, it means the browser tab, so it's going to talk from the top of the document down in this case. So I'm just going to start it, you'll hear it.
Learning little and often. Introduction. The pursuit of knowledge and skill acquisition.
You can see there's a pause button. You have the little icon that you just grab, and you can move the toolbar around. It tells you how long it's going to take to listen to the entire document. And then you also have the speed. So if that's too slow, you can speed it up, or if it's too fast, you can slow it down. Okay, and then once you've changed it, it shows the speed here. Then in the menu at the end, the three dots, you can change the voice. So if I just click on Change Voice, you can see different options.
Learning little and often. Introduction.
And you can just change them as you need to.
Learning little and often.
You also have this Insert Audio button. And if you click on that, it creates this big button, which you can edit and change, like the color and size. So I can make that a small text. I can also change the color, whatever you need to. And you can change that to document. Oh, wrong one down here. There we go. And then just X to close, and then just click on that.
Learning little and often. Introduction.
Okay, you can also send feedback, tell it if it's good or bad, and you can also report, like most of these options. When you want to listen further along in the document, it always starts at the beginning. So you want to use this little drag bar and just drag it to a part of the document. So this is partially
Or frequent review sessions solidify memory traces, transforming short-term recall into durable long-term knowledge. Enhanced focus and concentration. The human brain can only sustain deep concentration for a limited.
When you want to get rid of it, you just click on the X at the end. You can also choose to keep, or if you click after it and just press backspace, it gets rid of that button as well. And that is the text-to-speech option within Google Docs. If you found this video useful, helpful, or interesting, please do click on the thumbs up. It really does help. And if you'd like to see more of my videos, do subscribe to the channel. If you'd like more little tips that help you work faster and smarter, then there should be a link in the top corner for my 50 Time Savers webinar. And it's free to watch. Take care, and I hope you have a great day. Bye for now.